Okay, the rake. Let me just use the blue since I already have blue all over my hands. The rake, the first part's the same. Ball, roll it back and forth a bit. Place this at an angle, roll back and forth. Okay. And this one is a little long, so let me cut some of that off. And then I do this part first. So another ball, smaller, then start to roll it into a cord. Okay, and then I flatten this part just a little bit. Place this here, make sure it's long enough first. Put a little water there, place that on, and then bend this. Okay, I'm going to stretch it out a little bit there. Okay, so far I just have that. Then I need the one in the middle. So just take a smaller ball of fondant. So it's a ball, and then roll it this way. Okay, lift this up and place it behind there. Okay, and then what I did is I took it and I placed it on this tray like this and pushed this down. That way when it dried, this part stuck up. Okay, and the other thing I did is the rake part here, I just took my fingers and I just flattened it, kind of pinched that a little bit on the edges. Okay, and then just let that dry. Make sure it's straight. And the only other thing I did is I made the little hole. I used these little, same things I used on the buckets. A round cutter, pop it in, and cut out. Like so. Hopefully that, yep, went all the way through. Okay, so that's it for the rake and the shovel. Now I'm going to show you how to do these sunglasses here. I may as well just show you in the blue too. Okay, these are actually a set of leaf cutters right here that you can get at your local craft store. Comes like this. So, there. And I thought they would make great sunglasses. So, roll out some fondant. Take one and cut this way. The other one, you're going to have to flip it over like this and cut that way. Okay, so there's one and two. Okay, then you can take, I took the smaller one. This one's a little, not really leaving you much room around the edge. So I took this one, placed it on top, and then flip it over for this one and cut that out. Okay, and then you want to let those dry. I usually do them on a piece of parchment paper like this. That way they don't stick to the surface, and then after a while you can flip them over. Okay. And then for this part, that's just done by hand. So first we make a cord. Okay, and then what we want to do is just the one end, turn it, and just start to flatten it. You could just use this to flatten it. Okay, it doesn't look so even, so just take your fingers and just kind of even it out. Okay, so you need two of those. And then once they're dry, you can kind of place them wherever you want to. Okay, so let me move some of this out of the way and we'll see if our chocolate's set up, and then we can go ahead and finish our cake.